Welcome to our video tutorial on making money online. In this beginner's guide, we will walk you through the various methods and strategies to earn income on the internet. Whether you are looking for a side hustle or a full-time online business, this video will provide you with valuable insights and practical tips. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. With freelancing, you can offer your skills and services to clients from around the world. Whether you are a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or marketer, there are numerous platforms and marketplaces where you can showcase your talents and land freelance gigs. Start by creating an impressive portfolio and join reputable freelancing platforms to kickstart your online income journey. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. By becoming an affiliate marketer, you can recommend products through your website, blog, or social media channels. When someone makes a purchase using your unique affiliate link, you earn a percentage of the sale. It's a great way to monetize your online presence and generate passive income. If you are looking for quick and easy ways to make money online, participating in online surveys or completing microtasks can be a viable option. Many companies pay users for their opinions and feedback through online surveys. Additionally, there are platforms that offer small tasks such as data entry, online research, or testing websites. While the payout may not be substantial, it can be a convenient way to earn extra income in your spare time. Launching your own online store or engaging in dropshipping can be a profitable venture. With e-commerce, you can sell your own products or source products from suppliers to sell online. Dropshipping, on the other hand, allows you to sell products without physically handling inventory. By partnering with suppliers, you can focus on marketing and customer service while the suppliers handle shipping and logistics. Research niche markets, build a user-friendly website, and implement effective marketing strategies to succeed in the world of e-commerce. Congratulations! You have reached the end of our beginner's guide to making money online. We have covered various methods and strategies to help you embark on your online income journey. Remember, success in making money online requires determination, persistence, and willingness to learn. Stay consistent, explore different opportunities, and adapt to the dynamic online marketplace. So, what are you waiting for? Start taking action and turn your internet connection into a source of income today.